Morning. Parts of eastern England are going to be fairly cloudy today with some patchy light rain, but for most of the UK there'll be some hazy sunshine, bar a few showers in the northwest of Scotland. I'll have all the details coming up. You're both right. Good morning, everyone. It is colder for some. It's still quite mild though further south, but by this time tomorrow in the south, where it's mild this morning, well, we could have as much as a 10-degree drop in temperature. But today, for most of us, it's going to be a dry day. There'll be some hazy sunshine around, but we still have got some rain at the moment. You can see it on the radar picture here. Basically, it's moving east-northeast, and we also have a peppering of showers across western Scotland and the northwest of Northern Ireland. Now, here's our weather front producing this rain. It will continue to drift eastwards, but it won't clear the far southeast and East Anglia until later on in the day, much later actually. But a lot of dry weather where it was so wet yesterday. It's a much drier day today with some sunshine. Blustery winds driving in those showers across Northern Ireland and also western Scotland. These are our temperatures, 5 in Aberdeen to about 11 or 12 in the south. Now, through this evening, we eventually see the tail end of that weather front clear away. The temperature will fall away as well. Under clear skies, we'll see some mist and fog patches forming. And then our next weather front comes in from the west, introducing heavy rain and stronger winds, particularly through the Irish Sea and northwest Scotland. Temperature-wise, well, in the west, we're looking at about 3 to 6 degrees, but note the difference in the temperatures. We're in double figures at the moment. In the southeast, we're certainly going to be in low single figures. Tomorrow, the fog will slowly clear. The rain continues to push from the west towards the east. Some of this will be heavy showers following on behind, and very windy again, especially in the west. Temperature-wise, well, we're looking at them being a little bit higher, so most of us in double figures. Sal and John.
That's something.
Both, good morning to you too. I have got a real mixed bag of weather as we go through the next few days. If you're just stepping out, it's a cold start for some of us. It's -4 at the moment in Catesbridge in Northern Ireland, 6 in Stornoway, but 12 in London. It's still quite mild here for the time of year. What's happening is we've got this weather front. It's a weather front that brought all the rain yesterday. It's still producing some rain at the moment across some central areas. You can see it across parts of southern England, East Wales, the Midlands, into parts of eastern England. And we've got a peppering of showers across western Scotland and northwestern parts of Northern Ireland. Now, through the day, this weather front producing the rain will slowly push eastwards, northeastwards, taking its rain with it. However, it will be slow to clear from East Anglia and the southeast, may not clear till after dark. But where it was so wet yesterday, it's much drier today. There'll be more sunshine around as well, albeit hazy at times, and quite a brisk wind blowing in those showers across parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland. These are our temperatures, only 5 in Aberdeen, but hanging on to the milder conditions in the south and southeast. Now, through this evening and overnight, we say goodbye to the weather front. It eventually clears, and under the clearing skies following on behind it, we'll see a frost develop and also some fog. But by the end of the night, we've got some heavy rain coming in. The wind's going to strengthen. It will be a strong wind through the Irish Sea and the western approaches of Scotland. Temperature-wise, quite a difference on what we have this morning. So this time tomorrow morning, where we've got 11 or 12 degrees, it's going to be around about 1. So you really will notice that. Colder in England and Wales, Scotland in the west, Stornoway seeing about 6 degrees. Now, as we head through tomorrow, we've got a couple of weather fronts coming our way, both bringing in some rain. The isobars tell you that it's also going to be windy. So some of this rain will be heavy, although starting off dry with the fog, it will be slow to clear. But when it does, in comes the rain and the wind strengthens behind it with some heavy showers following on behind as well. Windy through the Irish Sea, gales with exposure across northwest Scotland. And although on your thermometer temperatures will look that bit higher, it's not going to feel particularly special. So Wednesday night into Thursday, we watch the weather fronts push away. Low pressure then becomes in charge, the dominant force in our weather. But again, look at those isobars. So the weather front, which is pushing away, will develop a wave in it. So that means that we'll see some more rain crossing England and also Wales. And at the same time, we have another weather front coming in, introducing rain to Northern Ireland and western Scotland and returning to Wales as well. Windy, but not as windy as it's going to be on Wednesday. These are the temperatures, 8 to about 13 degrees north to south. So John and Sal, as you can see, it's still fairly unsettled.
It really is.